Hey, this is Linda with Sun Sugar Farms, and yes, I want to show you how you can use a sustainable produce container to package your microgreens live. So this is the pint, and they do ship flat. I know it sucks, you gotta fold them, but they are pre-creased to make it easier. And what you're gonna do is click and lock each side just by sliding that in there. You're gonna wanna put the white side in because this is the clay-coated side that's usually used for printing, and that is going to give you a better moisture barrier. Now you don't want to have these soaking wet, but you could mist them before you put them in, and just slide them in right there like that. And then you're gonna close up the sides again using the Kliklok. These have a good wet strength, so they're gonna last, at least a week in the grocery, and sorry, in the refrigerator, and hopefully in the grocery. And then here's the quart size. This particular material with the reversible white and brown, Kraft brown, that's going to be available in late April, May, so you can see how that works. And then I'm just going to click it again and lock it. It's called Kliklok. And then you can see the two quart already has some in it. And don't judge how crappy my microgreens look. I just started growing them, but here's sunflowers in the taller 3 quart. And this 3 quart is going to be available also in April, early May. And it also fits the City Hydro mats perfectly. And then you can again close it up and also stamp or put a label on these boxes. Very nice for that. And so yes, a few months ago, didn't even know what a microgreen was, but now I love them. And yes, you can use the sustainable produce container for live microgreens.